Hey guys, welcome back again to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today is another beautiful video on this channel. We are going to be doing an African training hairstyle that is suitable for toddlers. So I started this hairstyle with a well detangled, conditioned and moisturized hair. All I'm doing here is trying to part the hair, and I'm using my shine and jam gel to slick down the hair and define the patterns. When I'm done slicking the hair, I will use my rubber band to secure the hair. I'm done parting the hair now, and I got like 6 ponytails, 3 on each of the sides. I'm going to be using Brazilian wool for this hairstyle, and I used 12 strands of wool on each ponytail. I used the wool to braid the hair down a little bit, after which I will take 3 pieces of wool and thread it a little bit. When I'm done threading, I will secure it into a knot, then I will twist the hair with the wool, and I will put it into a beautiful corkscrew coils, just like you see me doing this video. I'm going to be repeating the same process that I did before so that you'll be able to get what I'm doing. So I will twist it a little bit here, and I will use the 3 pieces of wool and press it over it and secure it into a cute corkscrew coils, after which I will thread it to secure the ends from unraveling. I'm done threading all the hair now, and I'm going to be using this cute bow to beautify the hair. So what I'm doing here is trying to pack the hair. As a toddler, they don't need anything that will disturb them. So I'm going to be taking the ends of the first ponytail, and I will thread it with the beginning of the second one. I also used 3 pieces of wool to thread it here, and I will secure it into a knot, and I cut them off. Normally, after cutting the excess wool, I used to use a fire to secure it, but dealing with a toddler here, I wouldn't want to use any fire here, so I only cut the ends with scissors, and it's perfectly fine. So this is a baby, you don't need to, because the fire will make her curious to know what is going on, but then it will get to another thing. So I really think that the using a lighter is not necessary here. So if you are still watching up to this level, that means you love what you're seeing. Please kindly subscribe to the channel and also hit the like button. Please hit that like button. May God bless you as you do so. I'm going to be repeating the same thing that we did on the other side here so that you get a clearer view of what I'm doing. So here you are going to be cutting out the excess wool while leaving like two pieces of wool to help you secure the hair with the other ones. Here I'm using my shine and jam gel and a brush to define the edges. So we are now done with the hairstyle and you can see how beautiful baby girl is looking. Let me know what you think in the comments about this hairstyle and we will see you in our next video. Bye. Thank you so much for viewing this far and I hope you subscribe to the channel and also like the video. Bye.